paying for yourself.
Two, there's the swarm from 2 days ago in the polystyrene box. Now, and now you're going to put it in a hive. Go and put it in a hive, Kev.
Yeah.
Go and put it in a hive.
Which one?
This one that you know messing about with.
Oh no, and they've got to
The
keep some
swarm.
queen cells in fast. He's going first. They've been sitting in the car for a while. So
What queen cells?
I took down Buxton one last time I was down there. That one's queenless, I think.
Alright. Go and do that then. Make sure you bring your suit next time.
Yeah.
Can't beat down a bit of squishing.
How do you know it's queenless?
Checked it the other day.
Oh, did you?
Well, it appears to be queenless, but we shall see if they're making any cells or whatever.
Can't beat a bit of squishing.
That's just some have to take some for the team, unfortunately.
There's no queen, no? But they ain't made a queen cell either?
No, so they left them there hopelessly queenless.
Hopelessly queenless. And that's what you want, isn't it?
Never tried it with the egg box before, but we shall see.
So what's in there?
3 queen cells.
Alright, so you'll take one out and put in there, are you?
I'm going to put them all in, but only one's going to be exposed. I wrapped them up in foil. So if you do that, they might.
Oh, so you make them get to the end of them.
Well, no, you don't want them to chew. They can chew them out at the sides.
Yeah, you don't want
Leave
them
the
because
tip.
they'll kill them then, won't they?
Yeah, so but that I hope it's a queenless. But I'll put the other 2 in cages if I can. It's a bit fiddly, and then block them up because they're all capped, and see if I can get 2 versions come out, and they'll be in there in the actual, so they can't sting them through it. You see?
Oh, and then use them for something else?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Good idea.
fingering, can you?
Yeah, got it weighed up. Like till it's done. Or you put them in there so they hatch out, Kev.
That's what I'm hoping, yeah. Let's get to the sides.
So did they all come out of the same swarm at Buxton? Or the
Yeah,
same hive?
Yeah.
So they made a lot of queen cells, didn't they?
So that means they're getting ready to swarm, do it, Kev?
Yeah. You just block it up so they don't get in there and
Kill it.
Kill it.
kill it.
Oh, good fun.
Well, it's,
So where you got to use them other queens then, Kev?
I'm not sure yet, mate, to be honest. They'll be spare at the minute, but you always need a bit of spare ones, don't you?
Yeah.
Well,
This one's good.
Well,
I like this one.
we weren't 100% sure about if that had had a queen anyhow, but we seem to think it is, isn't it, the way that acted, you know, when they called the other day on that queen, and then yeah, you might get a queen, you have to pull throughout the hive and see a queen and you don't like her. You say, fuck off, I'll put you a new one.
You're on video.
Oh,
Oh, we're making this.
got it. Header it.
I mean, they've been sitting in my car for 3 hours. I never transported them, but you wrap them in foils when to keep them warm for starters, and that stops them like that one tuning the sides. And so we'll see.
Not be interesting, what?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, they're just queen cells that are just squished, so I thought, well, why not just stick it in there and see what happens.